Unmerge cells and fill with duplicate values in Excel. Need to unmerge cells in Excel, but keep the original value in every cell. This is a common situation. After unmerging merged cells, Excel keeps the value only in the first cell, leaving the remaining cells blank. In this video, I'll show you two methods to unmerge cells and fill every cell with the original value. Let's start with Excel's built-in feature. Select the merged cells. Go to the Home tab. Click Merge and Center. Then choose Unmerge Cells. As you can see, only the first cell keeps the value. The remaining cells are blank. Keep the range selected. Press Ctrl and G to open the Go to dialog. Click Special. Then choose Blanks. Click OK. Excel selects all the blank cells in that range. Type an equal sign. Then select the first non-blank cell above. Finally, press Ctrl and Enter. Excel fills all the blank cells with the original value. This method works well using Excel's built-in features. However, it requires several manual steps. If you unmerge cells frequently, Kutools for Excel provides a much faster solution. After installing Kutools for Excel, select the merged cells. Go to Kutools, Merge and Split, Unmerge Cells and Fill Value. That's it. Kutools instantly unmerges the selected cells and fills every cell with the original value automatically. No extra steps, no formulas, just one click. That's how you can unmerge cells and fill duplicate values in Excel. Thanks for watching.